Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install YouTube Studio on mobile for analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install YouTube Studio on your mobile device, start by unlocking your phone. Open the App Store on your device. For Android devices, this will be the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, this will be the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type YouTube Studio. Tap the search icon to see the results. Locate the YouTube Studio app in the list. Ensure it is developed by Google LLC for authenticity. If you are using an Android device, tap the Install button. If you are using an iOS device, tap the Get button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, find the YouTube Studio app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. You may be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your email and password associated with your YouTube channel. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, you will be taken to the YouTube Studio dashboard. Here, you can access various tools and analytics related to your channel. Familiarize yourself with the interface to navigate different sections. You can view analytics, comments, and manage your video settings. Start using YouTube Studio to enhance your channel management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.